Good morning. Today I'm going to be doing a brake job on my wife's 2017 Toyota RAV4 hybrid. It is still on its original brakes at 130,000 miles. I'm going to be using the POWERSTOP OE kit. So let's go unbox it and make sure everything's in there. Okay, we've got Evolution Plus ceramic disc brake pads with hardware kit. A good set of hardware there. Set of pads there. They're Z17 ceramic pads. Right. Set those to the side. Alright. One single brake rotor per box. Okay. Alright, these are going to be Auto Specialty JBR 1127s. Okay. Same one here. Alright. JBR 1370s. We got a little packet of grease here. That's useful. Alright, and then another set of pads. All the hardware. These 17 ceramic pads. Okay. Let's take a look here. Alright. So nothing special. Just a rotor. Okay. Looks like all the right parts are here. That's everything in the box. Alright. Gonna get started. Alright, I've got the front right disassembled. This is the OEM rotor, showing a bit rusty, a bit gouged. I'm sure somebody might resurface that and reuse it, but I'm cheap. I just need a quick and simple solution. So this is the rotor that came in the POWERSTOP kit. Nice and fresh, pretty much exactly the same as you would hope. And I got these brake pads off. And these brake pads were very shot. Okay, now these are the pads that I took off. There's very minimal material left on these. And these are the new pads out of the kit. So you get an idea of what you're getting in there. Alright, and get these parts installed. Working on the back brakes now. Wanted to point out that these vehicles do have a drum style parking brake. This kit does not come with the shoes. So be aware of that if you're needing to do your parking brake. The good news is your calipers can just be compressed back into the wide open position, and you won't have to screw them back into place like you would if you had a disc brake, parking brake. All right, back at the table here, comparing the old parts. 130,000 miles on this rotor here with the parking brake drum inside. It's got a lip inside, but the shoes don't really seem that wide, so I don't know if that's just debris on there. Looks like it's just debris. So that probably was fine. No lip on the rotor piece, but just to compare it to what comes in the POWERSTOP kit, I'm gonna clean that up before I put it on. Nice new, shiny, of course. And yeah, it looks like the only piece I gotta make sure of is this little rubber piece. Not 100% sure what that's for. If I don't have one in the hardware kit, I'm just gonna swap it over. The brake pads, these are the new ones. Those are the old ones. So, not as worn down as the fronts, but we're going to do everything right now all at once because it came as a kit. We want everything to be serviced and ready and without worry. All right, I'm going to clean these parts up, get them ready to go on, and then finish up.